Hi there. I am back with another video, and I just have a very quick video. It's a small haul with some nail tips and also to show what's on my nails. First of all, let me show you my nails. These are my new nails. I have had these for a couple of weeks now, but this is my nails. I did change these two nails out. I had bling. I'm going to see if I can't insert a picture of what they looked like before. I may not be able to. I think I deleted those photos. But the pictures are on my Facebook page of how they looked before. Then I decided to change these two out, my accent nails. And yes, I did cut this nail down because I have to do a lot of writing, and I find it's easier if I have a shorter nail. So that's that. Now, these are some nail tips that I got in. Some pre-designed nail tips. And that's what these are. These are all pre-designed nail tips. And I've decided I'm going to wear these for a while. Just different ones. And I also know that it's a glare. Hold on, let me see if I can fix that. Okay, maybe this is better. They come in, as you can see, their boxes labeled with sizes from 0 to 10. I did get rid of the 9s and 10s because they're definitely too small for me to use. But there's 500, and there's different colors. And there's different sizes in the 0s, but they have different designs on them. So I really like that. And I plan to order some more nail tips with more designs on them. But all of these are just different colored nail tips, because I don't have a lot of certain colors. These are the only black nail tips that I have. So that's just a little quick video that I wanted to come in and show you. And alrighty, so I will see you again, or you'll see me in my next video. All right, guys, bye-bye.